First problem, find the coordinates of a points on the parabola y square is equal to 8x whose focal distance is 10. So given that y square is equal to 8x is one parabola, this is given, and also given that focal distance is equal to 10. Focal distance of a point, this is the focus. Focal distance of a point means suppose x comma y is any point on the parabola, then its focal distance is equal to SP, the distance of that point from the focus. This is called the focal distance, and formula for finding the focal distance is x plus a. So given that focal distance is equal to 10, that is x plus a is equal to 10. So x plus a is equal to 10. Already from the given parabola we have a is equal to 2, 4a is equal to 8 and a is equal to 2. So x plus a is equal to 10, x plus 2 is equal to 10, then x is equal to 8. Now replacing x is equal to 8 in the parabola equation, then we will get the value of y, which is the point on the parabola, which is that's all. So first we write the given parabola equation here. Given parabola is y square is equals to 8x. Now compare with y square is equals to 4ax. Then 4a is equals to 8 and the value of a is equals to 2. And also given that focal distance is equal to 10. Focal distance means the formula is x plus a. X plus a or x1 plus a. Here we take x comma y as is the point on the parabola. So we write the formula as x plus a. So x plus a is equals to 10. Already we have that a is equal to 2 here. That is x plus 2 is equals to 10, which implies the value of x is equals to 8. Now we are replacing this x is equal to 8 value in the parabola. Y square is equals to 8x, that is 8 into 8 equal to 64. So y square is equals to 64 means y is equal to root 64, that is plus or minus 8. Therefore points on the parabola is equals to x comma y, 8 comma plus or minus 8, that's all. Next problem. If the coordinates of the ends of a focal chord of the parabola y square is equal to 4ax are x1, y1 and x2, y2, then prove that x1 into x2 is equal to a square and y1 into y2 is equal to minus 4a square. So given that the coordinates of ends of a focal chord of the parabola y square is equal to 4ax. This is the parabola, y square is equal to 4ax. Now ends of the focal chord of the parabola. This is the focal chord of the parabola. Focal chord means the point which passes through the focus, and given that endpoints of the focal chord which are taken as x comma y here, the endpoints of the focal chord are given as x1 y1 and x2 y2. Now this is the given data. Now we want to show that x1 into x2 is equals to a square and y1 into y2 is equals to minus 4a square. Already we know that in the parabola y square is equal to 4ax, the focus is equal to a comma 0. And also any point on the parabola can be taken as 80 square comma 280. Since here p comma q are the points on the parabola, we take the points as x1 y1 is equal to 81 square comma 281 and x2 y2 is equal to 82 square comma 282. After that we want to show that these two results. So here this is the focal chord. Focal chord means the 3 points clearly from the diagram. Here we have that P, S, Q are collinear. So we apply the collinear condition to prove these results. So what is the condition for collinear points? Slope of SP is equal to slope of SQ. Now we are using that point to prove the result here. So first we are writing the given parabola. Given parabola is y square is equals to 4ax. Now we are taking the points x1, y1 and x2, y2. Let p is equals to x1, y1. Now we are taking this point as 8t1 square comma 280t1. Since this is the point on the parabola and any point on the parabola is of this form. And the next point is q, which is x2, y2. Now this is taken as 8t2 square comma 280t2. And already we know that focus s is equals to a comma 0. Since from the diagram clearly we have that the 3 points collinear. Here P comma S comma Q are collinear. That is we apply the collinear condition here. So collinear condition is slope of SP is equal to slope of SQ. That is, now what is SP slope? SP slope is equals to slope of these 2 points, y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. That is 2a t1 minus 0 by a t1 square minus a. y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. This is equals to slope of SQ. Slope of these 2 points, that is 2a t2 minus 0 by a t2 square minus a, which implies 2a t1 by a into t1 square minus 1 is equals to 2a t2 by a into t2 square minus 1. Now here a and a gets cancelled, 2a into a gets cancelled. Now taking the cross product, which implies t1 into t2 square minus 1 is equals to t2 into t1 square minus 1, which implies, doing the product, t1 into t2 square minus t1 is equals to t2 into t1 square minus t2. That is t1 into t2 square minus t2 into t1 square is equals to t1 minus t2. Writing this t2 into t1 square term this side and this minus t1 to that side. And here t1 t2 square, t2 t1 square. Taking t1 t2 common. t1 t2 into and the remaining value t2 minus t1 is equals to t1 minus t2. Which implies t1 t2 is equals to t1 minus t2 by t2 minus t1, which returns the value minus 1. Therefore, the value of t1 into t2 is equals to minus 1. Here we get the value t1 into t2 is equal to minus 1. Now we want to find the values of x1, x2 and y1, y2. So first value x1, x2 is equals to x1, x2 is equals to x1. What is x1 value? A t1 square into x2. x2 value a t2 square. Now this is a square into t1 square into t2 square, and this is a square into t1 t2 whole square. But what is t1 t2 value? t1 t2 is equals to minus 1. A square into minus 1 whole square, which is equals to a square. This is the first value. And next value y1 into y2. So y1 into y2 is equals to y1 value 2a t1 into y2 value 2a t2. Now this is 2 2s are 4 into a square into t1 t2. But t1 t2 is equals to minus 1. So answer is minus 4a square. Therefore, the value of x1 x2 is equals to a square and the value of y1 y2 is equals to minus 4a square. That's all. Next problem, if 1 by 2 comma 2 is one extremity of a focal chord of the parabola y square is equal to 8x, then find the other extremity. So given that 1 by 2 comma 2 is one extremity of the focal chord of the parabola y square is equal to 8x. Now this is the parabola y square is equals to 8x and here PQ is the focal chord of the parabola y square is equal to 8x. Now what is given? 1 by 2 comma 2 is one extremity of a focal chord. 1 by 2 comma 2 is one extremity. Now find the other extremity. We want to find the point Q here. So first we take the given point as a t1 square comma 2a t1. So one end of the extremity, since it is a point on the parabola, we take this point as a t1 square comma 2a t1. Now we want to find the second extremity, which is taken as a t2 square comma 2a t2. This is the second point. Now we want to find the coordinates of this point. Already from the given parabola y square is equal to 8x, we can take the value of a. So clearly here we have 4a is equals to 8 means a is equal to 2. Now we want the value of t2 only. If you get the value of t2, then we will find this point, second extremity. So we want the value of t here. Already we know that already in the last sum we proved that the value of t1 t2 is equals to minus 1. If PQ is a focal chord, then the value of t1 t2 is equal to minus 1. Now so here the procedure is, from the first point, first we take the value of t1 and replacing that value of t1 in this formula to get the value of t2 and substituting the t2 value in this formula to find the second extremity. That is the procedure. So first we are finding the t1 value and replacing the t1 value here to get the t2 value and replacing the t2 value here in this formula. That's all. So first we are writing the given parabola here. Given parabola is y square is equals to 8x. Now compare with y square is equal to 4ax. then 4a is equals to 8 and the value of a is equals to 2. So given that 1 extreme t is equal to 1 by 2 comma 2, given that one extremity of focal chord equals to 1 by 2 comma 2, which is taken as at1 square comma 2at1. One extremity of a focal chord, that is at1 square comma 2at1 is equals to 1 by 2 comma 2. Now equating the values here, just I am equating the second coordinates, y coordinates. So here 2at1 is equals to 2, that is at1 is equals to 1. That is already we have that here a is equal to 2, that is 2t1 is equals to 1. Then the value of t1 is equals to 1 by 2. Now we are replacing this t1 is equal to 1 by 2 value in this formula. In a focal chord, t1 into t2 is equals to minus 1. That is 1 by 2 into t2 is equals to minus 1. Which implies the value of t2 is equals to minus 2. Therefore, second extremity is equals to other extremity is equals to, the formula is at2 square comma 2at2, that is 2 into minus 2 whole square, that is 4 into 2 into 2 into minus 2, 2at2. So the answer is 8 comma minus 8, that's all.